explore a life-coherent framework to recognize harm, restore conditions, and reorient power, inspired by Dr. Bechara Saheli's work. Symbols often replace real conditions, leading to crises. When symbols fail to represent true conditions, systems falter, conserving patterns that disable life. Human systems often preserve symbols while ignoring real conditions, leading to hidden harms across various domains like economics, medicine, politics, and AI. Harm manifests visibly and structurally, often hidden under cultural norms and ideologies that maintain the status quo. Unexamined patterns in AI can lead to harmful systems that prioritize fear and control over life capacity. Outrage identifies violations, while tears restore attunement, leading to truthful repair and healing. The universal grammar of life involves continuing, recovering, and flourishing through attunement and truthful feedback. Performative care often replaces genuine repair, but life-coherent repair asks deeper questions about influence, restoration, and recovery. Restoring life involves identifying false orders, allowing tears, and seeing the wound to make real repair possible. AI's true test is whether it aligns with life capacity or remains tied to human immaturity and extraction. When symbols govern AI, risks like certainty, authority, and capture arise, scaling pathologies globally. AI becomes life-coherent when it supports human and ecological life, enhancing capacity and stewardship. The AI governance choice matrix highlights risks and safeguards, emphasizing life-coherent choices. Life coherence as a governance model involves open systems that can receive feedback and adapt, unlike closed systems that preserve symbols. Real repair occurs when wounds are acknowledged, tears are allowed, and conditions are restored, returning power to service.